Hey guys, it's Miss Wilson. This is your screencast tutorial on how to use Piktochart to create your infographic. This is what you will be using to make your presentations in musical theater unit, as we've discussed today in class. So, you should have already logged in and made your log on. Okay, we're at piktochart.com. There's my name, so I'm all logged in. And here's my home page, okay? What I want you guys to do is go over here, click on free templates. All right, you shouldn't have to pay for it, so I want you to get some free ones. So what we're looking at here is these are just lots of templates that you can use to create your project, okay? Ooh, that one's pretty. I like that color. So I want you to make sure that you pick a good one that will help you display your information the way you want. We're going to learn how to use it on this basic one today. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And it gives me a nice little preview. I'm going to look through it. It's got these built-in features that I really like. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, create. It's going to open up a new window on your computer to be able to get you guys able to edit it. Okay, so here's my template, and obviously let's just go through some basic things. Here's something I want to change. That's not my title. So I clicked on it and it's getting me the text box so I can move it around and do whatever I want to do. But I'm going to change the title first. Obviously this is not the title of my presentation, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it after I double clicked and highlighted it. And let's pretend that I'm doing a presentation on the Phantom of the Opera. Okay, so that's nice, but it's not really quite the aesthetic I want. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it, come up here to play with the font. Okay, this is kind of nice. Ooh, that one looks like Broadway. Let's do that. Okay, great. And let's just make this a little bit bigger to get some real oomph. There we go. Okay, that's really nice. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is show you guys how to insert some fun things over here on this sidebar. So what I really like, we can insert a bunch of different shapes. Let's say I want to put in a heart. Boom, there's your heart, okay? And I can move that wherever I want. If you're doing like a romance play, that'd be really nice, okay? Got all that fun shapes and things like that. Then we've got some icons over here that you can insert, kind of like those clip art you could do back in the day. If any of you are all old enough to remember, that's fun. So play around with that. Make sure you get some cool stuff. You can also insert some nice photos. Okay, and they come with a lot of scenery. So just depending if any of those work, they'd be nice to insert in there. And then also you can do a photo frame, which is kind of nice. So just to like play around with. So make sure you guys really explore that. Here I can go to my uploads and I can drag an image from my computer. So let's say I was going to do a Phantom of the Opera. I can go to the internet, grab a nice picture of Christine singing to the Phantom, drag it right here, upload it, bing bada boom, okay? We can also play around with the background. So there's all these fun backgrounds. I like polka dots, boom. Oh, they're leaves, that's great. Or this one, right? There's lots of different stuff we can do with that. Let's say I did want to change my background to something really light. Now I can't read those words, right? So I'm going to need to make sure that we highlight it, okay, and we have a different color. So here's where I go for that. Boom, boom, boom. That's pretty. Doesn't really look like the Phantom of the Opera, but you guys get the idea. Here's where I can insert some cool text, right? Let's say I don't want that there. I just deleted it. So let's say I want to add, oops, I need to add some body text. It just shows up right when I click it, okay? So I can say, written by Miss Wilson. That's great. But I can't really see that, so let's go ahead, let's make it real big. Boom, boom, boom. And now we have to move it, right? So let's make sure, it's not letting me move it. There we go. There you go. Okay, and I can put it over here. I can center it. And it has these really nice lines so you can center things. I really like that. It also has these fun text frames if you guys want to play with those. I just clicked on it and it shows up. So that's, whatever you guys want to do with that. Okay, and then it's got all kinds of fun tools. You can include charts. That would be nice, right? Look at that. So I can say, oh, how many Tony Awards did it win in this year? I can say how many people went to go see this show in this year, things like that. And then you can insert these fun charts. Or like I could say, here's the success of the musical, right? That would be nice. So we're going to go ahead and cancel. And then I can always import things, but y'all don't really need to know about this, okay? So don't pay attention to that. Let's say I want to edit this box next. So I'm going to go ahead and select. And then I'm going to add a block. Oh, look at that. Okay, so you can add more depending on how much your infographic needs. Okay, guys, so let's pretend I'm done. I'm going to click Save. It's going to update it, and it's saved into my account, okay? So when you send it to me through email, you need to go through this link, and it's going to show up in your account. Let's go look. My saved Piktocharts, and boom, there it is, okay? Awesome job, everyone. Thank you. Have fun.